Hello everyone. As you probably know, some Gotcha charger has one serious issue. To charge Gotcha, you gotta put it in the charger, but it doesn't stay in. The only way to charge it is to push it in all the time, or it doesn't work. So I'm gonna show you how to fix it. What you need is a piece of paper. Fold it in half, half and half, and then push it in like this. Then, put the Gotcha in the charger. Now it stays in the charger. Let's see if it works. It's working. Perfect. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for another helpful video. Goodbye.